Learn Hebrew. What is, equals.
מה זה?
Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your daily spark for smarter language learning. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for extra practice and goodies. Today you and I will unleash the tiny super question, what is, in Hebrew?
מה זה?
Think of it as your curiosity button, press it and the world starts explaining itself. Your goal today. Ready, do? Let's nail one phrase and use it everywhere. Say it after me, 3 beats.
מה? זה. ...
Full phrase.
מה זה?
I raise my hand and ask, what is?
אני מרים יד ושואל, מה זה?
At the museum, you whisper, what is?
במוזיאון אני לוחש, מה זה?
Mnemonic. Stuck in a maze? Say, ma zi, to find your way.
מה זה?
Pronunciation hacks. Keep it simple, 2 short words with a comfy rhythm. Tip 1. Open, ma, like ma, in mama.
מה?
Tip 2. Z, sounds like zay, quick and light.
זה.
Clap snap loop. M-A-Z, M-A-Z.
מה זה?
Mini dialogue at the market. Act it out with me, micro theater time. You, I found this.
מה זה?
Vendor, fresh halva, try a bite. You taste and grin.
מה זה?
Delicious. A nosy parrot squawks only.
מה זה?
And gets a sesame seed. Drill time. Fast reps. Say it in 3 moods. Polite.
מה זה? בבקשה.
Excited.
מה זה?
Whisper.
מה זה?
Now point at 3 things on your desk and ask each time. Culture tip. At Shuk Ha Carmel. Tiny words, big smiles. Tourists point at a sweet and ask the vendor.
מה זה?
Don't mix it up with, who is.
מי זה?
Opposite of asking is stating, this is.
זה.
Looking for a place? Try, where is.
איפה?
Quick quiz. Lightning round, answer out loud. Q1. How do you ask, what is, in Hebrew? A.
מה זה?
Q2. True or false?
מה זה?
Means, who is. A. False, that's.
מי זה?
Q3. At the museum you point and whisper. Say it softly now.
מה זה?
Challenge. Time to level up IRL. Today, ask 3 times in the wild, a gadget, a snack, and a symbol. Gesture. Palm up, eyebrows raised, say.
מה זה?
Bonus nerd flair. In your notes write MZ equals.
מה זה?
Thank you in next steps. You crushed it, do. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
מה זה?
All day and you'll unlock conversations everywhere. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and downloads. See you next time.